enroll your shop in Cars on Demand. They actually have a program where there's a tech on call. Once you're enrolled, if you've got a problem in the shop that you're really struggling with, you can get online with a tech on call, and they have access to this massive inventory of information that gets funneled to them from other shops, other technicians on best practices, best things that they've found, what they've done. We all know that wiring diagrams on some of the online programs, ShopKey, Identifix, there's others out there. I lose the name now, but they're not always 100% accurate. So making sure that you've got all that stuff, that access to be able for the training. But Cars on Demand also has testing. So as a shop owner or a shop foreman or a general manager, you can go in and enroll your staff and assign your staff to do the testing, and you can monitor that.